Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to make crispy salt and pepper beef today. So, I don't know when. So I'm going to be, so it's going to be beef steak, 1 egg, 1 cup, 2 cloves, sweet onions and bell pepper. So I'm gonna start with the beef marinade. So let's get into it. So we're doing first.
We're going to do the marinade. Okay, you need 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce.
That one there?
No, big one. Yep. Okay.
Pardon me.
1 teaspoon. Good girl, yes. Then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
This one here?
No, teaspoon. Yes. Alright, get a dry one. You need get the dry because you need a teaspoon of.
This big one here?
No, small one. No. Yeah, I think so. Hang on, have a look. No, this one. Does it say? Yeah. So 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, then 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
So the small one?
Yeah, 1/4, yeah.
So that one?
Is that the smallest? Yes. Okay. Yeah, then okay, mix it together. Use that if you want. Okay, then add your. Hang on.
I had to drain them. Oh,
Yeah.
I had to drain the blood.
Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah, okay.
Still a bit trippy.
It's all right. We'll just put it in there. Mix that. Mix the meat.
It's already been cut.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now cut. Yeah.
Oops. Look. Oh shit. Got that?
Yeah, just half. Yes. Okay, and just slice up 1/2.
Got that?
Yep.
You don't want you around.
So you're cutting up the onion.
Yes. What's wrong with this phone?
Cut up the garlic. So he knows how to answer it and send texts.
Oh,
That's
probably why.
That you got a text.
Dumbass. Oh, it was funny today.
What was it?
Well, Sig goes, well, how's your girlfriend? Paul looked at me and Sig goes, oi, why are you looking at Veronica for? We all cracked up.
All right, you need 1/4 cup of corn flour. little bit more.
Oops.
Okay. Yep.
Yes.
And just see if you can sift it. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, crack the egg in here.
Yes, crack the egg in there. And mix.
Use my hands.
If you want to, all the beef covered.
You think so?
That's why I said do it in a bread bag for. So just, yeah. So you've got to toss the beef in the corn flour.
Oops.
You'll do it.
Do it this way. Do it this way.
Okay.
All of it?
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now cover it. Yeah. Make sure it's all covered. Right, move your bowl close, yeah. And put it on the bench. Okay. Okay, that's all cooked.
Yep.
Okay. So just put it in, yep,
Yeah?
yes. Yep. Okay. Turn it on. Okay. Now,
Huh?
and then put the veggies in.
Put it in now?
Yeah, it should be.
Yes. Yep. What are we doing?
Putting the beef in.
In here.
No, you're putting the beef in the fry pan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stir it, yeah, just mix it all together with the...
There's some paper stuff in here.
Oh, I'll be alright. Yeah, I just emptied it in. Yeah, I'll take... Okay, mix it all in. Sprinkle. Sprinkle your, sprinkle the spices on.
Oh, it can't be too much.
Okay, we'll stir it all around the next year. Oop. Oop.
Thank you for watching how to make crispy beef and pepper. If you guys want this recipe, just link down description down below. Subscribe. Push the notification bell for more videos down the line. And Ronnie is out. Bye.